He taught me how to love, but not how to stop. It hurts to leave a light on for nobody. Behind every sweet smile, there is a bitter sadness that no one can ever see and feel. Interesting quote. I always like walking in the rain so no one can see me crying. First, accept sadness. Realize that without losing, winning isn't so great. Things change and friends leave. Life doesn't stop for anybody. The good times of today are the sad thoughts of tomorrow. There is one pain I often feel which you will never know. It's caused by the absence of you. Our greatest joy and our greatest pain come in our relationships with others. We must understand that sadness is an ocean, and sometimes we drown while others stay. We are forced to swim. Never make someone a priority when all you are to them is an option. The walls we build around us to keep sadness out always also keep out the joy. The walls we build around us to keep sadness out also keep out the joy. Forgive me for all the things I did, but most for the ones that I did not. So thank you very much being with us, and please subscribe my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon button for the notification of new uploaded videos every day.